60th question, blue chip companies often seen in news refers to. Okay, so here directly answer I'll tell you, companies which are well established and financially sound. Okay, like now you would have heard like unicorn companies. Unicorn companies means it has $1 billion valuation. Okay, there are a lot of ed tech companies, there are the certain food companies, many companies there which are unicorn companies, right? So blue chip companies is like any company which are well established and financially sound. Okay, nationally recognized, well established, and sell high quality, widely accepted products and services, and profitably they are operating even when economic conditions are worse. We know like many companies are there, right, which is always working fine. Like you will not hear any recession in Coca-Cola, Disney, Pepsi, Walmart, General Electric, IBM, McDonald's. All these are all the time running fine. So they are all the big brand which are over the years reputable, selling products which are widely accepted and are operating in any kind of economic conditions. Okay, so conservative investors with a low risk profile or nearing retirement will usually go for blue chip stocks. Okay, when you buy stocks and all in share market and all, people who are very like low risk profile, they don't take any big risk and all, they will invest in these companies only, because they know anyway, even if profit won't come, loss also won't come. Okay, so they are such things where less volatile investment than owing in shares in company without blue chip. Okay, if it's without blue chip, then it's like a risky business to invest in those companies. Okay, blue chip companies are also characterized as having little to no debt, large market capitalization, stable debt to equity ratio, high return on equity and return on asset, meaning everything is high. Their returns are always high. There is no debt. They have large market capital. Everything is in the balanced way. Then it's a blue chip company. Okay, this again, if UPSC ask 1, 2, 3, like which of the following are features of blue chip company, these are the best things they can pick and ask. Okay, and there's an article also, 9 out of 10 blue chip companies loss story. Okay, because we tell it won't have any loss and it's all good. So such story also came. That is why this thing was framed. Okay, so I'll do the next thing in the next video. Okay, because 10 questions we did.